Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by ensuring the TV is on and the remote responds. This saves time. Press Home or Menu to open the Smart Hub or Settings immediately. Once the menu appears, navigate with the arrow keys to Settings. Don't pause on apps. Make sure you note whether you're using a One Remote or older model. Controls differ slightly. If the remote fails, use the TV's physical buttons to open Settings, then return to the remote once it reconnects for easier navigation. Once in Settings, move to Sound or Audio. This is where volume and output live. You'll see speaker settings. Select TV speaker to control internal audio or pick an external receiver if connected. To turn audio off, either press mute on the remote, reduce volume to 0, or enter Expert/Advanced settings for an audio output toggle. Make choices based on why you're silencing the TV. Temporary mute versus disabling built-in speakers permanently, and keep the remote handy to quickly toggle options. You finish by confirming the on-screen mute icon or that volume shows 0. That proves the audio is off. If sound continues, make sure HDMI ARC, optical, or Bluetooth devices aren't overriding TV controls. Disconnect them briefly. Once done, restart the TV to apply persistent setting changes. If nothing works, reset audio settings or perform a soft restart. Troubleshooting tip: if audio returns unexpectedly, check audio output selection and disable HDMI CC or auto audio switching on connected equipment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.